Kids Wood. ABC Phonics.
A is for apple. Apple.
Apple.
B is for ball. Ball.
Ball.
C is for candy. Candy.
Candy.
D is for dog. Dog.
Dog.
E is for egg. Egg.
Egg.
F is for fish. Fish.
Fish.
G is for goat. Goat.
Goat.
H is for horse. Horse.
Horse.
I is for igloo. Igloo.
Igloo.
J is for juice. Juice.
Juice.
K is for key. Key.
Key.
L is for lion. Lion.
Lion.
M is for moon. Moon.
Moon.
N is for nest. Nest.
Nest.
O is for octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
P is for papaya. Papaya.
Papaya.
Q is for queen. Queen.
Queen.
R is for rose. Rose.
Rose.
S is for sun. Sun.
Sun.
T is for top. Top.
Top.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
V is for violin. Violin.
Violin.
W is for watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
X is for x-ray. X-ray.
X-ray.
Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Z is for zipper. Zipper.
Zipper.
Great start, kids!
I like it.
Now, let's say it in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon ay bigkasin natin ito sa wikang Filipino or in Tagalog.
Yay!
Apple.
Apple.
Mansanas.
Mansanas.
Mansanas. Apple. Ball.
Ball.
Bola.
Bola.
Bola. Ball. Candy.
Candy.
Dog.
Dog.
Aso. Dog. Egg. Itlog. Egg. Fish. Isda. Fish. Goat. Kambing. Goat. Horse. Kabayo. Kabayo. horse, igloo,
Igu.
iglo,
Iglo.
igloo, iglo, igloo, juice,
Juice.
katas,
Katas.
katas, katas, juice, key,
Key.
susi,
Susi.
susi, key, lion,
Lion.
leon,
Leon.
leon, lion, moon,
Moon.
buwan,
Buwan.
buwan, moon, nest,
Nest.
pugad,
Pugad.
pugad, nest, octopus,
Octopus.
pugita,
Pugita.
pugita, octopus, papaya,
Papaya.
papaya,
Papaya.
queen,
Queen.
reina,
Reina.
queen, rose,
Rose.
rosas,
Rosas.
rose, sun,
Sun.
araw,
Owl.
araw, sun, top,
Tap.
trompo,
Trompo.
top, umbrella,
Umbrella.
payong,
Payong.
umbrella, violin,
Violin.
violin, violin, watermelon,
Watermelon.
pakwan,
Pakwan.
watermelon, x-ray,
X-ray.
yo-yo,
Yo-yo.
zipper,
Zipper.
zipper. Well done, kids. You're amazing.
Fantastic.
Let's review. Apple, mansanas, ball, bola, candy, dog, aso, egg, itlog, fish, isda, goat, kambing, horse, kabayo, iglo, juice, katas, key, susi, lion, leon, moon, buwan, nest, pugad, octopus, pugita, papaya, queen, reina, rose, rosas, sun, araw, top, trompo, umbrella, payong, violin, watermelon, pakwan, x-ray, yo-yo, zipper,
Amazing.
Now, it's your turn.
I like it. Apple. Mansanas. Ball. Bola. Candy. Dog. Aso. Egg. Itlog. Fish. Isda. Goat. Kambing. Horse. Kabayo. Iglo. Juice. Katas. Key. Susi. Lion. Moon. Buwan. Nest. Pugad. Octopus. Pugita. Papaya. Queen. Reina. Rose. Rosas. Sun. Owl. Top. trompo, umbrella, payong, violin, violin, watermelon, pakwan, x-ray, x-ray, yo-yo, yo-yo, zipper, zipper.
You're a fast learner.
Excellent.
Great job, kids. You're the best.
That's awesome. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.